In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of creating an account on GitHub, a platform that's incredibly useful for software development and version control using Git. GitHub makes it easier for developers to collaborate and manage code. This guide is perfect for those who are new to GitHub and want a straightforward walkthrough of the sign-up process. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the GitHub website. To clarify, GitHub is accessible via any modern browser, so choose the one you're most comfortable with. You'll find the URL displayed clearly in the address bar, which is typically at the top of your browser window. Let it fully load to ensure all elements on the page are displayed correctly before proceeding. Now that you're on GitHub's homepage, your next step is to locate the Sign Up button. This button is prominently displayed, usually near the top right corner of the screen. Clicking Sign Up will redirect you to the Sign Up page where you'll begin the process of creating your account. On this page, you'll see various options to proceed. You can choose to sign up using your Google or Apple accounts for convenience, or you have the option to manually enter your details. Manually signing up involves filling out a short form with your email address, creating a strong password, entering a username, and selecting your country from a drop-down list. If you're unsure about what username to pick, try using one that reflects your personal or professional brand, as it will be visible to others on GitHub. Once you have entered all the required information, you'll want to look for the Create Account button at the bottom of the form. Clicking this button submits your details to GitHub. At this point, GitHub will likely send a verification email to the address you provided during sign-up. This email is a necessary step to ensure that you've entered a valid email address, and it's critical for activating your account. So head over to your email inbox, open the email from GitHub, and follow any instructions provided to verify your account. Once your email is verified, congratulations, you have successfully created a GitHub account. With your account now set up, you can start exploring the numerous repositories, contribute to open source projects, or even begin hosting your own project. The possibilities are vast, and GitHub's intuitive interface should make your journey in version control and collaboration smooth and efficient. Whether you're a beginner or revisiting an existing account, I hope this walkthrough has clarified the sign-up process for you. Consider exploring GitHub's educational resources and community discussions to further your understanding and make the most of your new account. Happy coding!